Hey guys, it's Brandon here with Rocky Mountain Eurosport, and we're back today with the beautiful 2024 Porsche 911 Turbo S. It is different from our other one. The Arctic Gray is currently pending a sale, so we hope you enjoyed this walk around video and car review on our new 911 Turbo S. I must say this probably is my favorite 911 Turbo S build we have had to date. It's finished in a white metallic paint. So very classic spec, but the interior is what sets it all off. It is finished in the Heritage Design Cognac interior from Porsche, so we will get to that here shortly, but we'll just do a little walk around. So it does have the sport package with the Aero kit, so that was a must-have. Black accents all across the trim pieces, so just black gloss, no carbon fiber on this one. Kind of wanted to keep it a little bit more elegant. We do have the Porsche LED Matrix design headlights. Love those lights, can't really order them without them. We have the orange reflectors, which came stock with the car. We already did order the clear ones, so stay tuned. We will be doing a video on that here soon of how to replace them. We did the 21-inch Turbo S design exclusive wheels. We kept them in silver. I think it looks fantastic with the yellow PCCBs, which is Porsche carbon ceramic brakes. I think it ties in the car all together. Goodyear tires on there. Brand new sets, so they actually run super well in Colorado's weather. We have match paint on the mirror caps. We did do the panoramic sunroof. So continuing on to the back. So as you can see, the turbo inlets here are gloss black. We did get the whole car PPF'd before we took delivery of it, so it's a must-have here in Colorado. And then working our way towards the rear, we do have the Aero kit spoiler. So as you can see, it has a little fin here for the Aero. This one pops up at certain miles per hour. Usually in sport mode, you can decide if you want it up or down. We did do the rear diffuser, just painted in gloss black, and we also did the sport exhaust system. Overall, I love the spec of the car. I think it really sticks to Porsche's heritage design, just being white metallic with the gloss black features. Probably top tier on my level of spec, just super basic, and it just looks super clean. But let's go on the interior, because that's my favorite part, and I think you guys are gonna like this one too. So now coming into the interior, as you can see, it is finished in the Heritage exclusive design interior from Porsche and Cognac. This really ties in the whole spec. This is probably the top level interior when it comes down to supercars. Going even back to the 60s, all the way up to the 90s, people always loved speccing these with the herringbone seats. So the first time I think I saw the Heritage design interior was a 991 GT3 Touring, and it had this design interior, and I was just mind blown. So it was definitely a must to get on this one. I don't think you can get better than this. By far the best driving car you can get. Handles smoothly, it's super fast, very agile as well, but I mean, if for a daily driver, it's probably one of the best cars you can get. So now opening up the engine compartment, as you can say, it does look like a sound system in the back here, but it's actually a 3.8 liter 6-cylinder twin turbo engine. And it's probably one of the best engine designs Porsche has ever made. It produces around 640 horsepower with 590 pound-feet of torque. So it is very fast. Now we'll move on to the storage compartment in the front. So as you can see, you can probably fit one large suitcase, medium suitcase with a duffel, but I mean, you're not going to be taking this on long road trips or anything like that. You're not going to be taking this on long road trips or anything like that. Even though it's probably one of the best daily drivers you can get on the market. We hope you enjoyed this car review, and be sure to leave a thumbs up and like and subscribe to this video if you like more car reviews like this, and we will continue to do so.